Matthew. Recording in progress. Today, I want to do a really quick little video on yin and yang. These are the basics of yin and yang. Okay, so in the ancient term, because there's a lot of confusion about yin yang, okay? Yin and yang literally means the shady side and the sunny side. Without sun, there is no shade. Shade and sun go together, right? There's no such thing as pure yin, pure yang. They don't exist separate from one another. There's always a little bit of yang within yin and a little bit of yin within yang. And in our bodies, when we bring yin yang into the body, when we think of our shady side and our sunny side, okay? And a one way to do this is to go into an all fours position. Remember when we were four-legged creatures, right? And the shady side is down here. It's under the arm, right? It's in between the thighs, right? It's in the front generally, and the back is very sunny. The face is very sunny. We lift our face up to the sun, right? So sunshine and shade, okay? So now the next thing is to take it into the body is to understand if you turn your feet out and you bend your knees and then you lift your arms up like this, I am showing you my yin, right? Actually, it's quite a vulnerable position because yin is our vulnerability. It's our openness. It's also very open-hearted, very willing to share to the very depths of you. That's yin, material world, okay? Now I'm going to turn myself around, stay in this posture, just turn around, and now I'm showing you my yang. And as you can see, it's more defended. You get the feeling of yang. Yeah, I'm not going to show you. And we want yang on the outside and yin on the inside, because yang is our exterior and yin is our interior. Again, you can't have one without the other. Yin, hello, welcome. Here is time for an embrace, right? And you know, when we embrace, the backs of our arms are yang, the front of our arms are yin. So you fold someone into an embrace, and the backs of your arms provides protection for them. They feel protected, they feel brought into your sphere. Interior, exterior, yin and yang. Got it? Okay, that's your yin-yang primer in the body for today. Shady side, sunny side. Work with that for a bit and join us. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's a button there somewhere. And if you're interested, click over and subscribe to our weekly Qigong classes. We do 4 live classes every week, and we invite people to subscribe to those. And I encourage you to make the decision to be all in, because nothing ever happens instant. You got to practice with these methods on a regular, consistent basis to get the benefit for your body, your mind, your spirit. All right, I look forward to seeing you enjoy it. If you have any questions, drop me a line. info@heartmindhealingarts.com. Be happy to talk with you. Okay, have a great day. Bye now.